Here today I wanted to show you Walleva's replacement lenses for the Oakley Holbrook. I got these in 3 different colors. I have the titanium mirror, which are on the lenses right now. I also got the purple lenses, as well as the emerald mirror lenses, which are a little bit like a green color. So onto the lens itself. They are polarized, and they do perform just as good as the original Oakley lenses. These are a little bit thinner, but like I said, they do perform as well. They have great clarity. The polarized coating on it works well. But this is the lens itself. The removal of the actual lens is fairly easy. I'll show you on the glass. Like I said, so this is the titanium. This is how they look on the glasses. They have a nice reflective shine to them. So to remove the lenses, you simply push with your thumb on the top corner, and they pop right out. Same with the other side. And there they are. So let me show you how the titanium looks through the lens. So that's the color that you will see. It's like a grayish color. And these are the purple lenses. These are a little lighter than the titanium, as you can see there. So to pop them in, you do the exact same thing as you did to pop them out. You place them in to the bottoms, and this is going to be your last piece that you pop in. And there we go. And onto the other one. And there they are. So the purple ones are pretty cool looking. When you have them on, people can't see through them. They have a cool reflective coating. And like I said, I also got the emerald color. So let me show you those. So also, when you get the lenses, they do come in this pretty cool little carrying case. The carrying case is divided inside into 2 pieces, so the lenses don't get scratched. As you can see there, there's one lens on each side. And they also come with this microfiber cloth with their emblem embedded into the cloth. But let me show you the green ones now. Like I said, very easy to replace these lenses on these glasses. They just simply pop in and out, which is awesome because you get to change the look on your glasses as much as you want, and it's very easy to do. So here are the emerald green. These are pretty sharp looking lenses, how they reflect the light. I like these the most. But let me show you how they look through the camera. So these give you a little bit more of a like purplish tint, if you want to say. So these are the green. These are the purple. So you can see there the different colors. And then these are the titanium. But there it is. It's Walleva's replacement lenses for the Oakley Holbrook. Like I said, I really recommend these. Good clarity. you don't get any type of glare with them, with the polarized coating on them. But that's about it.